Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your existing account on Huntington Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in huntington.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Huntington Bank website. Now, right from the homepage, you will find the login portal from which you can log into your account. Now, you can choose from personal and business or commercial and other kinds of account. Just choose your account type and you can enter your credentials directly. Simply type in your username or your user ID and then type in your account password. After typing both of these, click on the login button and now you will be logged in to your existing account on the Huntington Bank right away. In case you forgot your username or your password, you can click on the Forgot Username and the Forgot Password button to reset your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Huntington Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.